Hi crafting friends, this is Jessica with Tiny Worlds of Wonder, and today I'm stopping in to share the cutest thing that exists in the world. I know you guys have wondered what the cutest thing in the world is, but I found it and I'm going to show it to you. All right, as you know, this is mostly a diamond painting channel, so if you're here for diamond paintings, don't worry, we'll be back to diamond paintings all the time. But this little craft kit was too adorable not to share, even on a diamond painting channel. So what I want to show you today is something called a box theater. And I saw this project initially on Abstract Crafters channel. And as with so many things in my life, if I see something cute, I must instantly go and acquire that thing. So she unboxed it on her channel. I believe she was planning to do like a build along on this kit, but I haven't seen it yet. I didn't wait around. I just did the kit because, like I said, it's the cutest thing that exists in the world. So I'll show you a little bit about what came in the box, and then I'll show you the end result, or the mostly finished result, 99% finished. So this is, like I said, a box theater. It's like a tiny little world inside a tin. So in the kit, you get everything you need to finish this. And since I've already finished it, this box is mostly empty, but you get a little stand to stand your box theater on. You get all the little pieces that you're gonna need to build the kit. And I just have some greenery and some little bits and pieces left here. And then you're gonna get the directions. So I chose, there are a number of designs in this line of kits, but the one I did is called In a Happy Corner. And it's like it's a tiny little world of wonder. It's a tiny city inside a tin. It's so cute. So you get the contents are listed there, then the directions for assembly. And I will warn you, if you're a person who does not like fiddly tiny details, this is not for you. It's just not. And that's okay. But if you're a person who likes fiddly details, like I kind of do, then you're going to love this. And if you love Tiny Worlds of Wonder, like literally Tiny Worlds of Wonder, you're going to love this. So there are a couple things that you need to assemble this that don't come in the kit. First off, you need some kind of glue. So I used a glue called Beacon, which I'll list below next to the link to the kit itself. You're going to need some LR44 batteries. Now this is not supposed to ship with the batteries because it's a fire hazard. And yeah, for whatever reason, international shipping from China is not supposed to contain these. Mine did come with them, but they didn't work. So I would have had to buy them anyway, according to what the listing said. So that wasn't a big deal. I got these on Amazon, and I'll put the link to those as well in the description below. So what you end up with after this adorable assembly process. Oh, are you ready? Is this right here. And you guys, it lights up. It is literally the cutest thing in the world. It really is. So I'm going to see if I can bring you in a little closer here. I don't want to make anyone dizzy or sick. And I suspect my camera is not going to be able to capture the incredible adorableness of this. But I will stick in some photos at the end so you can see in a little more detail what's going on here. But oh my gosh, it's got a tiny coffee shop, a tiny bakery, a tiny bookstore. Got a little string of glue there, I just noticed. Tiny little rabbits. Oh my gosh. And like I said, you need the batteries because it lights up. Oh my gosh. Okay, the only thing that was a little bit about this is the translation up here of this little story they put in there. And the reason I say this is 99% finished is because I may reprint this little storyline at the front. I wish they would hire a translator to translate this properly, but I totally understand the limitations there too. And it's, it's kind of charming, actually. It's kind of charming. But I may end up printing out something new there. When I do that, there are a couple pieces that you can add to the inside. There's this tiny little book there and some tiny little bits you can add, like a cup of coffee, and decorate the inside. So I haven't finished that part yet, but everything else I think I've got all set and ready to go. Now, if the batteries ever die and you need to change the batteries, there's a little panel in here that you can pull out the guts of that and sort of switch everything out. So I had a blast building this. I worked on this during a couple of Mrs. Crochet and Coffee's lives back during the winter when it was so cold we couldn't go anywhere. And then just over a couple of weekends, an hour here and there since February when I got it. And it really was a blast to do. So if you're interested in making something tiny and adorable, I encourage you to check out this kit. It'd be an amazing little gift for a kid's room, if they're gentle with it, of course. It would be an incredible, just a little bit of interest. I love having tiny little things in my house that are really surprising here and there, and sticking this in a little corner somewhere for someone to stumble on, just the thought of it delights me. So there it is, the cutest thing in the world. You found it, you've seen it. It was a blast to do. If you're interested in doing one of these kits of your own, check the link below. They are available on Amazon, but I will also link to them to the store on AliExpress where I got this one. So, as always, spread some joy wherever you are. I hope to see you back here soon on Tiny Worlds of Wonder, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.